Hey guys, if you're searching for the best product to sell on Amazon FBA in 2026, I want to give you a slightly different answer than most people on YouTube. Because the truth is, nobody can simply give you a list of 10 products and say, sell this and you will make your money. This is not how Amazon works anymore. If a product is already being recommended by everyone, it's probably already too competitive. And if you just copy someone's product idea from YouTube, you may end up entering a saturated niche with high PPC cost, low margins and hundreds of competitors. So in this video, I'm not going to say, go sell this exact garlic press, this exact yoga mat or this exact water bottle. Instead, I'm going to show you 10 products categories or product types that I would personally research in 2026 if I were starting or launching a new Amazon FBA product today. And more importantly, I'll explain why each category can work, what to watch out for, and how I would validate the product before ordering inventory. By the way, I've been selling on Amazon for years, since 2018, and I'm also the founder of DenixAI, an Amazon PPC autopilot tool that we originally built for our own brands. So I'm looking at these product ideas not just from a demand perspective, but also from a profitability, PPC, and long-term business perspective. Let's go into it. Before we talk about specific product ideas, let me quickly explain what makes a good Amazon FBA product in 2026. For me, a good product should have 5 things. Number 1, real demand. People should already be searching for it on Amazon. I don't want to educate the market from zero. Number 2, room for differentiation. If every product on page 1 looks exactly the same, it will be very hard to compete unless you have a huge PPC budget or a very low product price. Number 3, healthy margins. This is very important. Sales are not profit. A product can do 500k per month in revenue and still be a bad business if the margins are too thin. Number 4, manageable size and weight. Big and heavy products can work, but they're harder for beginners because storage, shipping, and FBA fees can destroy the margin. Number 5, not too risky. Be very careful. I would be careful with products that are highly regulated, fragile, seasonal, patented, dangerous, or dominated by big brands. So as we go through this list, don't treat this as buy this product tomorrow. Treat them as research direction. Product idea number 1, storage and organization products. The first category I would research is storage and organization. This includes things like drawer organizers, closet organizers, pantry storage, bathroom storage, under-sink organizers, cable organizers, toy storage, and travel organizers. Why do I like this category? Because it solves a very clear problem. People want their home to look cleaner, more organized, and more aesthetic. This category also works very well with visual content, which is important for Amazon listings. And before and after image can sell the product very quickly. But here is the problem. Many storage products are already extremely competitive. So I would not sell a generic drawer organizer or generic plastic box. I would look for a specific use case. For example, storage for baby bottles, storage for coffee pots, storage for kids' art supplies, storage for hair tools, storage for supplements, storage for small apartments, storage for RVs or campers, storage for home office cables, and so on. You get the point. The more specific the use case, the easier it is to create a clear listing and targeted PPC campaign. How I would differentiate? I would improve the design, make the material a bit better than competitors, add labels, add modularity, or create a bundle for a specific customer. For example, instead of pantry organizer, maybe it becomes pantry organizer set for protein powders and supplements. Yeah, I think you get the point. That is much more specific. What to watch out for? Avoid products that are bulky or too cheap. If the product takes too much space and sells for a lower price, the economics might be terrible. Product idea number 2. Kitchen problem-solving accessories. The second category is kitchen accessories, but not a random kitchen gadgets. I'm talking about problem-solving kitchen products. For example, oil sprayers, silicone mats, food storage accessories, sink organizers, cutting board accessories, meal prep containers, fridge organizers, spice organizers, air fryer accessories, coffee station accessories. Kitchen is a very strong Amazon category because people are constantly buying products for cooking, cleaning, organizing, and meal preparation. But the mistake many beginners make is choosing something too generic. For example, a plain spatula set is usually not exciting enough, A generic cutting board is also hard unless you have a very strong angle. I would look for product connected to a specific trend or habit. For example, meal preparation, high protein diet, air fryer cooking, coffee at home, small kitchen organization, non-toxic materials, aesthetic home products. How would I differentiate? I would create a better bundle, better packaging, better instructions, or target a specific audience. For example, coffee station organizer for small apartments, air fryer accessory kit for family dinners, meal prep containers for high protein lunches. What to watch out for? Kitchen products can have strong competition, many reviews, and sometimes quality issues. Also, be careful with anything that touches food. You need to understand compliance, material, and safety requirement. So ask your producer about food contact certificate. Usually they all already done this type of certification. Product idea number 3, pet accessories. The third category is pet accessories. This can include dog walking accessories, pet travel accessories, pet grooming tools, pet feeding mats, pet storage, cat litter accessory, dog car seat covers, enrichment toys, pet cleaning products, plenty of different ideas. Pet owners spend emotionally, like parents. They often buy not only what is necessary, but what makes their life easier or make their pet happier. This is a good thing for Amazon sellers because emotional buying can support better conversion. But again, I wouldn't sell a generic dog leash or generic pet bowl. They are usually too competitive. I would look for specific problems. Dog hair in the car, massive feeding area, travel with dogs, storage for pet supplies, enrichment for indoor cats, cleaning paws after walks. How would I differentiate? I would focus on a very clear pet owner problem. For example, travel organizer for dog owners, muddy paw cleaning station, cat enrichment kit for indoor cats, car protection bundle for dog owners. What to watch out for? Avoid product pets that can easily destroy, chew, swallow, or get injured by. Also be careful with supplements, food, or anything that makes health claims. Idea number 4, baby and toddler organization products. The fourth category is baby and toddler organization. I'm not talking about baby products that require strict safety testing like car seats or sleep products. I would be very careful with those products. I'm talking about lower risk organization and convenience products for parents. For example, stroller organizers, diaper caddy organizers, toy storage, snack container, baby bottle storage, car organizers for kids, travel activity bags, and so on. Parents are constantly trying to make daily life easier, and when a product saves time, reduces mess, or makes travel easier, it can be very attractive. How would I differentiate? I would create a product for a specific moment in a parent's life. For example, airplane travel kit for toddlers, car organizer for 2 kids, diaper changing station organizer, restaurant activity kit for toddlers. What to watch out for? Be careful with safety. Avoid anything that babies sleep in, put in their mouth, or anything that could create choking hazards. Also avoid making claims you cannot support. And product idea number 5, beauty organization and self-care accessories. The 5th category is beauty organization and self-care accessories. This is not necessarily care itself. Skincare can be complicated because of regulations, ingredients, expiry dates, and claims. I'm talking about accessories around beauty and self-care. Makeup organizers, skincare fridges or storage, hair tool organizers, travel toiletry bags, beauty headbands, spa accessories, reusable makeup remover pads, brush cleaning tools, nail care organization. Beauty is very visual, which is great for Amazon listings, TikTok, Instagram, and influencer content. But generic beauty products can be very saturated. So again, I would look for a specific audience. Women who travel, small bathroom organization, professional makeup artists, teenager girls, bridesmaids, gym bag beauty kits, curly hair routines, and so on. You get the point. I would make the product look more premium, more aesthetic, more giftable, or more specific than competitors. For example, travel makeup organizer for long trips, hair tool organizer for small bathrooms, skincare routine organizer for teen girls. What to watch out for? Avoid anything making medical or cosmetic claims unless you know exactly what you are doing. So, please remember, the best product is not the one someone mentions in a YouTube video. The best product is the one where you have demand, differentiation, healthy margins, and a realistic PPC strategy. If you want, in this video I can show you how I would actually research one of these product ideas step by step, for Amazon search results to profit calculation and PPC validation. If you are already selling on Amazon and your PPC is taking too much time or eating your product, you can also check out Danix AI. It's an Amazon PPC autopilot that manages bids, keywords, negative, so it's a truly autopilot, ACOS based. But whether you use software and agency or do it manually, the most important thing is never choose a product before you understand the numbers. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!